Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to look at how to close a trade. In the previous videos, we looked at how to open and modify trades, but in this one, we're going to look at how to close a trade. So looking at my screen right now, this is just a simple code that I've just put in. So I'll just explain what it does and what we're going to use it for. So for now, I'm just going to get rid of this one. Now, for us to close a trade, we need to be able to access the trade. We need to be able to, select the trade and basically close the trade. For us to be able to select the trade, we are going to use a for loop. Now, this for loop and also the positions total. Now, this here, if we can just look at F1 or press F1, you'll see that positions total, what does it do? It returns the number of open positions. So let me just zoom in a bit more. So this function here returns the number of open positions. So we're going to use this for loop and then equate I to the total of, or the total number of open positions minus 1. Then we're going to say I must be greater or equals to 0. So we are working backwards from the number, the total number of open trades going down to 0. So we're basically going to work in backwards. So now using this for loop, we're going to access the total number of open positions, and then we're going to work backwards. And then as you can see here, we're using a U-long data type to access the position ticket. Now using this here, position get ticket, if you select again and press F1, you see that the position get ticket, it returns what? The ticket of a position, right? It will return the ticket of the specified position. Perfect. Now, after we get the ticket number of whatever is in position I, we are going to say, of course, trader is the name of my position opener in this case. So we're going to say trader dot position close. So this here will close the position of the selected position ticket, you see. So now this will close, if you look at this code here will close all trades that are open. It will close all the open trades. Let's do this one more time. Let me just F7. Then we here, let's just open a sell, open a buy, open a sell, open another buy. Another buy. Yeah. So if we add this to our chart, it should close all the trades, and as you can see, it is closing the trade. It's closing everything, right? But now we want to close specifically maybe buy trades or sell trades. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this code. I'll just remove this and paste this in, right? So this here, if a position ticket is selected, then this will give us a Boolean value true. Then if only this here is true, then we get into the inner if statement. So now this here position get integer, if I press F1, we are going to see that it returns a long type, right? So since it returns a long type, we're trying to get the positions ticket, right? And we know that the position ticket is of type U-long. Now, if the returned position type is a buy, it will close the buy trade. So we are only going to look at closing a buy position. So we'll just press F7 and see how it goes. So I'll buy, okay, let me just open a sell first, then I'll open a buy, I'll open another sell, then I'll open another buy. So now if we add our EA, it should what? Close only the buy positions. Let's see. As you can see, it has closed the buy positions and left the sell positions. Watch what happens if I open another buy position. It opens and immediately it closes again, you see. So that is what the EA is doing. It's closing all buy positions because I specifically said that it should close only buy positions. We can do the same for the sell entries or sell position. So we can say change this, instead of making a buy, we'll make it a sell. So now it should what? If I press F7 and we get back to our chart, you'll see that the changes will be made and it will start closing the sell positions, as you can see. See, it's closing. Now, if we open a buy trade, it will not close the buy trade. You see, the buy position will remain open. Since now we want it to close the sell positions only, it is going to close the sell positions. So now if I open a sell position, it closes the sell position. So yes, guys, this is everything on how to open or actually close a trade. And in this case, I also showed you how to specifically close a buy or a sell trade. Yes, this can definitely come in handy in your journey for coding or creating your EA. So guys, I hope this video helped. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.